I'm JP Sheehan. I go to McNicholas High School. I'm a senior there. My junior year, I took a ACT class before I even took the ACT, just to test it out, and they taught me some strategies. It was like a super informal class, just like after school, and they took a group of us in there, and just they taught us block, circling the answer in your book and then moving it over to the answer sheet, and I was like, okay, well that works. Yeah, but it wasn't really helping me that much. So summer after junior year, I did the Weekend Warrior class, which was tough because it's Saturday, Sunday for 2 weekends. And then I didn't really realize that it was working until I checked my score, and I was like, wow, yeah, I think the practice tests are what helped me the most. The watch that you guys gave me, that helped with time management, because I feel like one of the problems I had before was running out of time on the sections and just having to rush through the last 10 problems or whatever. So I was able, especially in the reading, I was able to gauge out what passage I was on and how much time I had left. And before TorchPrep, I had a 31 on the ACT, and then after, I got a 35 on that June ACT right after the class. So definitely very helpful. The higher ACT score, it really opens up the door to more scholarships. So I've seen that 35, that you get a lot more money for that school. So extremely helpful.